Hey guys, I hope that I'm audible right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. All clear, no issues at any particular point of time. You guys are able to listen to me properly, right guys? Just tell funnel one to circulate the message once again. All the groups that the bootcamp has just started right now. Call them up and make them circulated. Okay, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. There's no issues with my audio or the video, right, guys? Great. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So, how are you guys? Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Please let me know. Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Please let me know, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Great. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So, how was your day, guys? How was your day? Was your day good? Was it productive? Did you guys learn something new today or not? Please let me know. Did you guys learn something new today or not? Please let me know. Good, amazing. So let's do a quick revision, guys. First of all, so what have we studied in our yesterday's class? Like in the last 4 to 5 days, what have we studied? Could you guys let me know? The last 4 to 5 days, what have we studied up till now, guys? Could you guys let me know? Just a quick revision, guys. Just a quick revision. We started studying about, first of all, on the very first day, we started studying about what is front end development, back end development, what is DevOps, what is cloud, just a bit of introduction about them, right, guys? Then we studied about, I'm so sorry. Then we studied about Git. Okay, what is Git, guys? What is the difference between Git and GitHub? Could you guys let me know? What is the difference between Git and GitHub, guys? Could you guys let me know? What is the difference between Git and GitHub, guys? Could you guys let me know? Good. Git is basically the software that is used to run the GitHub platform. Okay, good. Amazing, guys. Okay, then we started studying about the different kind of commands that are there in Git, right, guys? We studied about the different kinds of commands that are there in Git, right, guys? So we studied about the basics of Git commands. We studied about the three platforms that are there. So Git workspace, then you're having the Git staging area and then the Git repository. Okay, then you studied about DIRs, all the command line functions that are there, command line commands that are there. Then we studied about the Git language itself. So we studied about Git add, Git commit. Then we studied about like any other things that we studied about after that. We studied about branching in Git as well. How do we create branches? Why are branches so important? How to initialize Git as well? So Git init, Git log, Git checkout, good, git branch, good. That is all we checked about. We got a introduction. Okay, we got an introduction to Docker as well, right, guys? So could you guys let me know what is Docker? Could you guys let me know what is Docker, guys? Please let me know. What is Docker, guys? Could you guys let me know that? Good. Docker is a company. Great, guys. Docker is a company and containerization is the technology. Okay. Which particular technology is containerization replacing? Could you guys let me know? Okay. Which particular technology is containerization replacing? Okay. What is the, like, containerization is the evolved version of which technology, guys? VM, virtual machines. That's good. Okay. So containerization is the evolved technology of virtual machines. So that also you need to remember, guys. That also you need to remember. Okay, good. The next thing that anything else that we need to remember, guys? Anything else that we have studied up till this particular point of time that I am currently forgetting about? Please let me know. Anything else that I am forgetting about that I told you guys and I'm not able to revise it right now? Please let me know. Anything that we have forgotten about, guys? Good. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll get me a bottle of water. My mouth is very dry. Give me 2 seconds. I'll just bring a bottle of water for myself. Okay. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll come back in 2 seconds. I'm back, guys. Okay, good. Amazing, guys. So you guys remember everything, right? There's no issues with anything up till this particular point of time, right, guys? Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Okay, so we'll continue with Docker right now, right, guys? Please let me know. We'll continue with Docker right now. Please let me know. Good. Amazing. Amazing. The first thing that we are going to do is install Docker. Of course, without that, we won't be able to do that. Okay. So first we'll go and install Docker, guys. First we'll go and install Docker. So we'll search for Docker, guys. Docker Docker. We'll search for that, and we will just download Docker for Windows. Okay, we'll download Docker for Windows, guys. Okay, so install Docker desktop on Windows. Okay, install Docker desktop on Windows, guys. So that is what we are going to do, and we are going to install it right over here. Docker desktop for Windows. It is downloading it. It is a very big file, guys, almost 625 MBs. Okay, so it will take us 5 to 6 minutes just to download that. Until that point of time, guys, we'll try to understand what is a Docker image. Till the time it is taking it to download, we'll try to understand what is a Docker image, guys. Okay, so we have learned about containers, right? Okay, we have learned about containers, the code, and then all the things that it requires within that container itself, so that that code is able to survive. Okay, we have learned about it, right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. We have learned about it. Okay, right, guys? Please let me know. Why are you guys discussing about projects? There is no project in this particular boot camp. Okay, there's no project that you have to do in this particular boot camp. You are here just to learn. Concentrate on learning. Okay, do not consider yourself with unnecessary things. Okay, if I have not said anything, you don't know anything. That's it. Okay, so right over here, guys, first we'll try to understand what is this image that I'm talking about. So yesterday I've told you guys that Docker basically works like a container. It containerizes your code, right? So for example, if this was your code, okay, let's assume if this was your code right over here, then Docker will put up all the things that this code requires to run, all the things that this code requires to run around it, and containerize it at the end. Okay, put it inside of a small ass container with just these things, so that it is lightweight, and easy to transport, easy to use as well. Now the blueprint of this, okay, the blueprint, okay, you will be making a blueprint of this, guys. This is the blueprint of this, which basically lists down which are the different things that this particular software needs to run. Okay, what are the like specifications of the software itself, what does the software code basically contain. A blueprint, you guys understand the term meaning of the term blueprint, right? It is an English word, it is not something related to programming. Blueprint basically means an English word. Before creating a project, if you architecture want and construction worker wants to construct a building, before making that building you create a blueprint of that building, how the building is going to be made. Similar to that, for every container basically there exists, first we create an image of that container. What does this container require? So these are the different technologies that it requires, this is the code that it requires, this is the space that it requires, all these specifications about that container itself. And you guys can create thousands of containers, millions of the same container using just this blueprint. You don't need anything else. If you have access to these blueprints itself, you can create thousands and millions of containers of the same type, because you have the blueprint of it, you have the DNA of the container itself. You can create millions of copies of that container right now, because you have the image. This is called as the image of the container, or Docker image. Okay, it is called as the image of that container, or Docker image. Are you guys able to understand what is this Docker image, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand what is this Docker image? Please let me know. Good. The next thing, so it I don't know if it is downloaded. Okay, it has downloaded it almost 1 minute ago. We'll start installing it right now. Again, I will explain it to you guys. Docker image is basically the blueprint of the container that is going to be built. Okay, you are having a container that contains various different softwares, that contains your code inside of it. Okay, in this similar manner, you will create a blueprint of it first of all. Okay, you will create a blueprint of it first of all, guys. Okay, so a blueprint will basically contain all the different softwares, all the different things that is present inside of the Docker its file itself, Docker container itself. There's a blueprint, and that blueprint is called as the image. Now you can take up just this blueprint and create as many containers as you want. Okay, as many containers as you want just via that blueprint, and that blueprint is called as your image of the container, or Docker image. Okay, are you guys able to understand it right now, or still not able to understand it? Please let me know. Are you able to understand it right now, or are you still not able to understand it? Please let me know. Good. Now these images, now everybody is creating Docker files. Docker is very, very, very popular right now in the entire world. Okay, Docker is a software or a company? Should I just kill myself after this particular question? Docker is a company, guys. Docker is a company that utilizes the containerization technology. Now that Docker has become a company, so what do you request? Do you do cloud computing, or do you do AWS? You use AWS to do stuff, right? Similar to that, right over here as well. So you basically call it as Docker. Okay, just call it as Docker. Do not get confused. Fucking call it as Docker itself. As simple as that. Okay, because you are going to use the software of Docker. The technology, the concept is of physics. Okay, for example, you are driving a Mercedes Benz car. Okay, you are driving a Mercedes Benz car. the technology, the concepts is of physics that you use right over there. You don't call it as physics car. You call it as the company's car, the name of the company who produces it. That is Mercedes Benz. Okay. You must restart Windows to complete installation. So we can't restart Windows right now. We'll restart it tomorrow. But are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. And do not ask me silly questions, man. Your questions are very irritating. Okay. The next thing that is there is like Docker Hub. Okay, Docker Hub, guys. Okay, so right now, please try to understand it that Docker as a technology is being used. Okay, Docker as a software is being used by various different companies. Every single company in this entire world, every good developer in this entire world, every software company in this entire world is using this Docker for their own purposes itself. Okay, for their own purposes itself. Now, due to that particular reason, most of your commonly available blueprints, commonly used images that most people use are already available on this particular website called as Docker Hub. Okay, just think about it as the hub of all Docker images in the entire world. Okay, think about it as a Wikipedia, as a downloadable site of Netflix of all the different images that are there in the entire world. You want an image of Ubuntu, you can get an image of Ubuntu. You want an image of Linux, you can get an image of Linux. Everything is available right over here inside of Docker Hub itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So I go into images and I search for an image itself, for example, Linux. Okay, I will search for Linux itself. As you're able to see, Alpine, that is the official Docker image for Alpine Linux. Okay, that is one of the versions of Linux itself. You want an Ubuntu Linux, it is there. The image is already there. You want a Debian Linux, it is already there. You want an Amazon based Linux, it is already there. Oracle, already there. So people have created images for you guys that you can directly use. Right over here, as you're able to see, that the Ubuntu package has been like used more than 1 billion times. Okay, more than 1 billion times. So if I go into the Ubuntu like version itself, as you're able to see, Ubuntu is a Debian based Linux operating system based on free software. Okay, it is maintained. Who is maintaining it? Right over here, how to get help. Okay, what are the different support tags, quick references. Okay, what are the architectures that it supports, everything. Okay, what is in this image? Okay, what is present in the image, localities, roof, so everything is available to you guys right over here. Now please try to understand this, that this is a Docker container, so it will not contain the entire normal Ubuntu that you use. Okay, normal Ubuntu OS, okay, operating system that you use. Basically, you are able to see a visual representation of that Ubuntu, right, guys? Please let me know. For example, if you are having Windows installed in your computer, you are able to see the start button right over here. You are able to see the search button right over here. You are able to see all these files, and you are able to open up Chrome right over here. You are able to open up Excel right over here. All these different features that you are able to see. But inside of this Docker container, you are just going to have a command line, CMD. To be able to interact with the entire operating system, you will just have the command line and nothing else. And nothing else. You can only interact with the entire container using just the command line. There will be no GUI. So all these buttons, all these start button, search button, file button that you are able to see is called as GUI, guys, or graphical user interface. Okay, graphical user interface, guys. Okay, so that is the reason why you don't need, okay, you don't need that. You want to make it as light as possible. That is the use of Docker. It should be as light as possible, as easy as possible itself. And that is the reason why you only get the access to the command line, and you have to do everything from the command line itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. We are going to create our very own container, our very own image in the next class. You don't have to worry about it, but just the basics, are you guys able to understand it? See, anybody who has missed out on just one class, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, we are handling that for you. You will still get your certificates. Okay, good. Now, people not so right over here when I search for the images, and then as you're able to see, are you guys able to see this off Docker official image? Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Docker official image. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Yes. So this Docker official image are the image files that are being created by Docker as the company itself. Okay, these are the official image files made by them. If you go down below, you will be able to see that there are sponsored, and like if you go to the ninth page or something, then you will be able to see that there will be many that would not be made by Docker. Okay, that are just here, right over here. So even you guys can create your very own images and upload it for to the Docker Hub for other people to use as well. Okay, you can create your very own images and upload it to the Docker Hub for other people to use as well, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. I'm still getting a lot of questions like, what is image? Like, I made you guys the entire example and everything. Still, people are like, what is image? Okay, no issues in that. So, that has already been taught. I think so. You guys are late. That is the reason why you don't know what is an image, but I've already taught that. Okay. Yes, Docker Hub, what is available right over there is completely open source, of course. Okay, guys. So, see, try to understand this that learning just DevOps is not going to help you guys. Okay, please remember that. You are not going to get any placements by just learning DevOps. DevOps is just a tool. DevOps is just a tool. Okay, just like for I don't know if you guys have seen that cartoon or not, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Okay, just like Mickey Mouse had just tools that was there, he had to use various different tools out there to create or do whatever he wanted to do. In a similar way, you guys also need to understand one thing. This is just a tool, guys. This is just a tool. If you want to get placements, you have to learn data structures and algorithms. You have to learn computer programming. You have to learn entire full stack development, front end, back end, cloud, and DevOps. Okay, everything you have to learn. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Good. So always remember this, guys. Okay. Now, one thing I wanted you guys to know in today's class is that we have just recently opened up our new batch for the training and internship program. Right now, the previous bootcamp as well, I told them about it. I want you guys to know about it as well because I want the seats to be booked by tomorrow. Because we want to start the training program from day after tomorrow. So I want it to be booked by tomorrow itself. So we have got some 60 seats that were available to us day before yesterday. Right now, we have got somewhere around 35 seats that are remaining right now, guys. 35 seats that are remaining in the training and internship program that we are having. So what we do is you guys go into a 3 months of training and then we have a 1 month of guaranteed internship. A guaranteed internship with the company of your choosing. For example, in data analyst and software engineering, we have companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, BCG, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, and British Airways that provide our students with a 1 month guaranteed internship. No exams, no interviews, nothing. Direct internship of 1 month with one of these companies. Okay. The next particular part is for full stack web development. For that, we have companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Amazon, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, HP. These are the companies that provide us with a 1 month guaranteed internship with the company of your choosing. And then for cybersecurity, we are having MasterCard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC. All these internships will be happening online only. Online only. Okay. For 1 month. Okay. With the company of your choosing. Okay. With the company of your choosing. Everything will be online, guys, because these companies know that most of our students are there in colleges itself. Okay, we have students joining us from Africa, we have students joining us from India, we have students joining us from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from Nepal, from USA, from UK as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so we what we do is, for the first 3 months we train you guys in everything that you need to know to get a placement. Okay, to get a placement, then we get you guys this 1 month guaranteed internship. If you're doing well in the internship, then these companies will be giving you a job offer right over there. You'll be getting a job offer right over there, as well as we have partnered up with Google, Amazon, Microsoft, who provide us with direct placements, not just internship, but direct placements as well. The cost, there's a cost of the program itself, guys, because we have to handle up your doubts, we have to pay the teaching assistants. The program will be made available with lifetime access for the same. Okay, and you will be getting placement support to arrange all these internships. It's a huge process, because we will be helping you guys throughout your internship process to help you clear the internship as well. The cost of the program will be 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST for the entire training as well as the internship. For the entire training as well as the internship, guys, there are no exams, nothing. Direct internship with the company of your choosing. With the company of your choosing. The cost of the there is no stipend during the internship. The reason for that is there is no exam as well. Amazon is not taking up your exam, anything. If you're doing well, then yes, you will get stipend as well. You will get placement as well as paid internships as well. Okay, so we have everything made available for you guys. Okay, the cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. Okay, if you're doing well in the internship, you are directly getting placement as well. You're directly getting placement as well. We have students joining us in their first year, second year, third year, fourth year college. There is no prerequisite for the program. The only thing that you need to learn about is English. Okay, if you know English, everything else, if you don't even know what is programming as well, we will be teaching you that from the basics. We will be teaching guys from the basics. The entire training will be done remotely, that is online. The entire internship will also be done online, remotely itself. Okay, everything will be done online, remotely only. Okay, because you guys are having your college, these companies want to give you an opportunity to intern with them, to work for them, and if you are doing good, to get placed right over there as well. We'll be teaching you guys everything. We'll be teaching you guys data structures and algorithms, competitive programming. Okay, we'll be teaching you guys C++, Java. We will be teaching you guys full stack web development as well, front end, back end, DevOps, cloud computing, everything right over here. Okay, if you guys are having your exams or something in the middle, you can postpone the internship at any particular point of time, because we know that you guys are college students. We have already taken care of it. The timings of the training program will be in the evening, but the internship will be on your own time, because these companies know that you guys are students. So your internship will be there on your own time only. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So if I complete the course in 3 to 5 months, then will I get the internship? Yes, immediately you will be able to do that. So, how many of you guys are interested for the same? Could you guys let me know? The cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. Can you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested in it? Because we will not be taking in more than 55 students. We will not be taking in more than 55 students, because we don't have enough seats right now. So, for those guys who are interested, could you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested for the same? We have in data science, we have in full stack development, as well as cyber security. In dollars, it will be around $50. In dollars, it will be around $50 to $60 itself. For those guys who are interested in that, what you can do is, if you guys, I'm able to see a lot of people are interested. We cannot take in more than 55 people itself. For those guys who think that it is expensive, you guys, if you are able to show me, the reason for that, why I'm saying, is that the same program is being offered by Coding Ninjas without the guaranteed internship. Without the guaranteed internship, without you learning cloud computing, DevOps, just MERN stack and DSA at 35,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees itself. The reason for that, why we are able to do it at 3,500 rupees, is very simple. We have no profits in this. We do it at cost, whatever cost that we are facing to pay our teaching assistants, to pay for giving you guys lifetime access to the program itself, to be able to arrange the internship for you guys. Whatever cost that we are having from our end, we are just charging that. That is the reason why we are able to do it for almost free right over here. Okay, for almost free. It's 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST for lifetime access to the training program, plus a guaranteed internship, at the company of your choosing. That's a very big deal, guys. Okay, for those guys who are interested to register for that, you guys can do your pre-registration right now. You can save your seat right now by doing a pre-registration right over here. I provided you guys with a pre-registration link in the live chat itself. Is there any other charges other than the fee? Nothing else. Like I said, the entire thing is for 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST, that is taxes. Okay, we don't charge anything above that. We don't charge anything extra for the internship. We don't charge anything else. It is for the entire program, not monthly, for the entire program itself. In the future, we will not be conducting any kind of these internship programs because this is being offered for the very first time to us itself. And that is the reason why we are able to start a new batch using this. Okay, like I said, guys, if you want, you can enroll right now. You can book a seat right now and you can reschedule your internship. You just have to let us know that I want to do the internship after 8 months. We'll just send a email to the company and you can do the internship after 8 months as well. There is no issues in that. Yes, the internship will be completely online. Okay, it will be a live internship that will be done online. Okay, after full stack training, I'm getting directly getting placements. I'm in third year. Yes, Dave, like I said, okay, if you are doing the training in full stack development properly, you will get placements very easily. You don't have to worry about it. What is the inner mechanism of guaranteed internship? There is no inner mechanism. It's very simple. We have the training program. After 3 months, you can schedule your internship at any particular point of time. Whenever you schedule your internship will be conducted in 1 month and then you will get your certificates in 15 days. That is how we are able to conduct it. Sri Lankan students, how can we pay? You can contact us. So what's the salary in internship? Zero. Like I said, if you're doing well in the internship, only then you're getting a stipend of 25,000 rupees. Only if you're doing well in the internship. It is better. Okay. Bootcamp name. The bootcamp name will be DevOps. How much for Sri Lankan rupees? You can just convert it. This is in Indian rupees, so you can conduct it right over there. Yes, mechanical engineering students can also do it. Krishna, like I said, the entire internship will be live. Okay, will be live itself, and the entire internship will be live, and you will be given lifetime access to the entire training program as well. I want to join the training program, but only if it will offered in summers too. Sheikh, like I said, you can join the training program right now. Give us the information that you want to reschedule it for the summers, and we will do it for you because we can only take in 60 slots for these companies itself. What is the amount of training? The amount of training is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. What you guys can do is, if you guys want to book your seat, you can do a 500 rupees pre-booking right now. Okay, so you can do a 500 rupees pre-booking right now using this particular link for pre-booking itself. Once you have completed the pre-booking, guys, the rest of the amount, that is 3,000 rupees plus 18% GST, you can do it after like 5 to 6 days as well. There's no issues in that. In 3 to 4 days, you can complete the rest of the program itself. Okay. The total cost, like I said, I have already paid. You should do again. Okay, no issues in that. What are the timings? The timings, like I said, is will be on you itself. The classes will be conducted only after 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, only after 7 o'clock in the evening itself. Like I said, guys, it is a totally personal choice, power up to you, whatever you want to choose. Like I said, guys, for those guys who want to join the training and internship program, okay, so you will be getting a 3 months internship certificate via DevTown and then 1 month guaranteed internship via the company of your choosing with their certificate as well, with their certificate itself. No, I don't know, Yash, which is this Virgio. I've heard about them for the very first time. What if the registered students count exceeded 60? So as soon as the registered student count exceeds 60, the pre-registration portal itself will get closed. That is how it works. If the number of students who are doing the pre-registration exceeds 60, the pre-registration portal itself will get closed. So you don't have to worry about it. Like I said, guys, this is an opportunity for everyone present right over here. Okay. Most of these companies like Amazon, JP Morgan and Chase, Walmart do not even go to various different like colleges. They don't even go to these colleges itself, and you are able to get a 1 month guaranteed internship with them, along with everything that you have to learn for your placements. Okay, whether it be data structure algorithms, computer programming, full stack development, everything. Okay, even if you are in the early that you are able to join, the better it is. Most the 10 students who got placed into Google this month, all of them joined DevTown in their first year itself. Okay, the first year itself. The cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus the 18% GST. If you guys are interested to that, only a specific country, or does it not matter? No, we have students joining us from Africa. We have students joining us from UK, USA, from UAE. We have students joining us from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, from Indonesia as well. We had some students who joined us from Russia. That was a very good class. I took that class. It was amazing to have a student from Russia. I made a good friend as well right over there. Okay. For the 1 month internship, it will be you will have to do it on your own pace, because the companies realize that you guys are college students, so you can do it on your own pace itself. Sir, I'm interested in confused to move towards full stack, data science, cybersecurity. Can you help? Go with full stack development. If you want to get good placements, if you want to get a guaranteed placement above 15 lakhs per annum, if you want to get a guaranteed placement above 15 lakhs per annum, go with full stack development. Okay, go with full stack development itself. If you want to enroll into the program, you guys can do your pre-registration using this link itself. Okay. See, even if you don't know what is programming, we will be starting the entire program from right over there. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Even if you don't know what is programming, we'll be starting from there itself. You don't have to worry about anything. The only prerequisite is that you should be able to understand our English, nothing else. You should be able to understand our English and nothing else. For those who are currently doing the pre-registration, please do let me know if you are doing it, so that I am able to understand that. Please do let me know. For those guys who have done the pre-registration, please do let me know, guys. So Inevitable Gaming has done the pre-registration. Good. By full stack, can I get placed in Microsoft and Google? Most of our students who got into Microsoft and Google have chosen full stack development itself. The dollar equivalent will be around 50 to $60 itself. Rahul has also registered. AI News has also registered. Need Contractor has also registered. That's great. I hope that like you guys will be joining us and we will be able to learn equally. It will be great for me as well. Okay. Lucky Williams, go with self-paced itself. Do not worry. Go with the 3,500 program itself. Shubham Raj, you can trust me. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, we are not going anywhere. Great, Shubham Madan. It's great to see so many guys able to do it. Okay, done the pre-registration. Amazing. Okay, like I said, guys, the entire internship will be live. The entire internship will be live, and the training program, you will have access to the entire lifetime access to the program itself. You don't have to worry about it. If I didn't get my seat at 588, will my rupees be refunded? If you are not able to get a seat after doing the pre-registration, if you are not able to get a seat due to our mistake, after pre-registration, you will get the entire amount back. You will get the entire amount refunded back to you. You don't have to worry about it. Only if it is our fault that you were not able to get the thing. Okay, sir, here there are 2,000 students who are saying there are only 60 placements. So can I get my 500 back? Hanish, like I said, okay, we only taken 60 students itself, not 2,000 students. Please try to understand, this is India. Okay, here students will pay 500 rupees or 3,000 rupees for Netflix account, but won't pay for their own futures. I know that. You also know that. So if you and the portal will itself close as soon as 60 registration is there. The portal itself will directly close as soon as there is 60 registration. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay, registration that is directly there, guys. See, we are already doing it at cost. Okay, there is no offer or something like that. We are already doing at cost itself. We are not charging you guys anything more than that actually. Okay. So for those guys who are interested to do that, you guys can also message on this particular WhatsApp number. I'm going to provide you guys with WhatsApp number as well. So if you guys are interested in the program, you guys can message on this particular WhatsApp number right over here. And right now, okay, if you are interested in the program, if you are not able to make the payment, you are from some other country and you are not able to, you're not from India itself, you can message on this particular WhatsApp number right now itself. Any questions or queries that you are having. The cost of the program is 3,500 rupees. The cost of the program is 3,500 rupees only. Okay. I'm at the end of third year. How will it benefit me, Shubham? By getting you an internship, first of all, preparing you for your placements, and also giving you guys placement opportunities as well. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Like I said, guys, I've already provided you guys with a WhatsApp link as well. If you guys are interested in the bootcamp name, Aryan, you can put up DevOps. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you are interested in the training and internship, you guys can message on this particular WhatsApp number as well, and we'll be helping you guys out with the further process. Okay, you guys can message us on this particular WhatsApp number if you are interested in the training and internship program. How to get an internship if you are not from India. Even if you are not from India, the guaranteed internship is still for you as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Like I said, guys, if so, can I join it in my first year, Shahid? Of course, you don't have to worry about it. You can join it in your first year itself. How do you pick the 60 students? Please tell me, Ashwin. It is first come, first basis. We are very sure of our training program, so we just take up the first 60 who enroll, and after that, the pre-registration just closes, so you don't have to worry about it. Full stack course timing will be in the evening after 7 o'clock itself. After 7 o'clock itself, guys. Like I said, guys, if you are interested in the training and internship program, you guys can message us on this particular WhatsApp number itself, and we'll be helping you guys out. Python program will be taught. Yes, if you're using the data scientist program, yes, Python will also be taught right over there. How to become a DevOps engineer? By learning DevOps, but don't get into DevOps. Learn full stack development, improve your DevOps skills. Yes, G, it is just a one-time offer itself. It's not an offer actually. We have a batch that is opening up. That is the reason why I'm telling you guys that. If we didn't have a batch, I will not be telling you guys that. Okay, internship salary is usually 25,000 rupees on an average. There is not going to be anything like this ever again, okay, because we are able to do it right now. That is the reason why. When will I get a confirmation about my seat? So you will get an email as soon as you are completed with the payment. Okay, once you are completing the entire payment of 3,500 rupees, your class will be starting in 2 days at max. Okay. What is the package after data scientist? The average package after data scientist is 13 lakhs per annum. The average package after full stack development is 15 lakhs per annum. If you are going with cybersecurity, it is above 12 lakhs per annum. That is the average package. Like I said, guys, if you are interested in the training and internship program, or you guys are having any kind of questions, you guys can message us on right over here. Okay, can the training be self-paced? Noor, you get the recordings of all the classes with lifetime access, so you don't have to worry about that as well. Okay. Sir, if I am choosing data science, will I get Deloitte if I perform well in data science better than full stack? Om Bhaskar, that is a personal choice up to you. Okay, but yes, you will get the Deloitte. There's no issues in that. Like I said, guys, if you guys have any questions or queries, or you guys want to enroll for the program, you guys can connect with us on this particular WhatsApp number. Either me or somebody from my team will be helping you guys out with the same as well. My college senior tells me that data science has no scope because I think so he was not able to get placed. I am a data scientist. I've worked in data science for almost 3 years. If he says that has no scope, then he's mistaken right now, I guess. Sir, I've chosen data science. Will I get Deloitte if I perform well? See, it's not about your performance. You have to choose in which company do you want to intern. It's not about performance or anything. $3K for Indian rupees, 3,500 rupees Indian rupees itself. How to pay the remaining amount? Somebody from my team will be approaching you guys very soon, and you can complete your payment right over there, guys. Okay, I will be giving you guys the attendance link right now. I'll be giving you guys the attendance link right now itself. Like I said, if you guys want to enroll for the training and internship, you can do the pre-registration. I'm able to see that the pre-registration is still working. That means we still have some seats remaining. Okay. I think so. The pre-registration is still working. So we still have some seats remaining, guys. Let me just check once. Let me just check once, guys. The pre-registration link is working. That means we still have some seats remaining. Okay, yeah, the seats are still there, so you don't have to worry about it. The seats are still there. You don't have to worry about it. Like I said, guys, please, I'm currently working. Can I enroll for the training and internship? Of course, you can do that. Okay, of course, you can do that. Is iPad good for buying, to buy for engineering students? Do not waste your money. Do not do that. After registration, what the process? After registration, our team will be contacting you very soon to complete your registration process in 1 or 2 days. Then you can start with your training program. I'm in mechanical engineering with no prior programming skills. What to choose between data analytics and full stack? I will suggest go with full stack development, Sai Deepak, without any thoughts. How many seats are left? Please tell. Right now, the platform is working. That means the seats are there. I can just check for you guys right now. It's how many seats are remaining. Give me a second. Let me just check. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second, guys. I'm just checking that up for you guys right now. Okay. So we are already crossed 50 registration up till this particular point of time, guys. We still have somewhere around 20 registrations still left. We still have somewhere around 20 registrations that are still left, guys. 20 seats that are still remaining. If you guys are interested for the program, you guys can register yourself right now for the same. I've already provided you guys with the registration link as pre-registration link, as well as the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp link as well. If you guys have show the left screen on screen, I can't show that. I have it on my phone itself. I just can count it. That's basically how it works. So I've counted it's almost around 40. So we still have somewhere around 20 seats that are still remaining. I've already provided you guys with the registration link. Is there any questions or queries up till this particular point of time? Is it paid internship? See, it is an internship with Amazon, JP Morgan, and Chase. Okay, these companies are not even going to come to your college as well. It's a lifetime like achievement that is there to be able to intern with them. If you're doing well, then yes, stipend will also be given up till 25,000 rupees. That is also taken care from us. Okay. Is there any internship within 1 or 2 months? Life is beautiful. If you have some priority internship itself, you guys can enroll into the training program. You can contact the support and they will arrange the internship for you. So you don't have to worry about it. How will you help us get placed? So if you're doing well for in the internship, you're directly getting placements right over there. We are having our partnership with more than 36 different companies. So right over here, if you guys ever paid attention to the placement portal itself, we have these many companies, 36 companies that are currently hiring from us. So Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Gap, Samsung directly hires from us. These companies won't even go to various different colleges, and we get almost 900 students placed every single month within these companies. Then we are having our referral program. So these are the instructors that will be teaching you guys in the classes. We have people from Google, Amazon, HP, Porsche, McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, American Express, Goldman Sachs, Oracle, Sony, Cisco, Microsoft. So all these two like instructors basically give you guys referrals as well from various different companies that will help you guys get placements. That is how we handle our placements itself. You don't have to worry about it, Abhishek. If you postpone the training, if you want to postpone the internship at any particular point of time, you just have to let the instructor know or let us know, and we'll do that for you. You don't have to worry about it. For those people who are not from India, who are not able to make the payment, you guys can approach us on this particular WhatsApp number that I've provided to you guys right over here in the live chat, and we'll be helping you guys out from right over there. He will be helping you guys out from right over there. Which is the best company to intern with? JP Morgan and Chase, MasterCard, and Amazon. These are the best three companies. I'm interested in this internship and training, but I'm not with my MasterCard. Can I pre-registration and pay later? Salam, I will suggest just message on this particular WhatsApp number, okay? And we'll be helping you guys out with the same, okay? What's the difference between live class and self-paced? So self-paced is basically getting just the recordings of the classes, and live class is basically live. Okay, the instructor will be coming live to teach. That is a personal preference to people, because many of these people who enroll are from working companies as well, so they are not able to attend live classes. So they just choose the recordings itself. I'm also one of the mentors right over there, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm in my second year right now. Should I do the internship? Yes, the early that you are able to start, the better your portfolio is, the better your chance of getting into a good company is. The cost, there's no cost for the internship. The internship is completely free. The training program has a cost of 3,500 rupees. You can come do your registration right now using this link as well. At any particular point of time, if you are having exams or semester exams or some other classes as well, you can reschedule your training and will be done for you. You don't have to worry about it. I'll be giving you guys in pre-recording. We can get the internship. Yes, of course, you don't have to worry about it. Let me give you guys the attendance for today. Let me give you guys the attendance for today. Let me create the attendance in the meanwhile. Can you show the names? Okay, yeah, of course. devtown.in/graduates. These are the students who got placed through our program as well. We have Bhavya Kala who got placed into Microsoft, Divyanki Soli who got placed into Accenture, Lingam who got placed into Flipkart. We have people from Amazon, Oracle, Geo. We have people from Gap Inc., Samsung, Cognizant, Deloitte, TCS, and many more companies out there. In various different companies, in Samsung, in Harman, in ZS Associates, we have released our students. For doubt clearing sessions will be there. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, but see, the play packages for each one of them is fixed, because these companies are for example, Microsoft offers a fixed package of 48 lakhs per annum. They cannot change it. That is how it basically operates. Let me create the attendance link for today. For full stack development, I will be suggesting either go with Amazon or JP Morgan and Chase. That will be my suggestion. Sponsor, send, link, shorten, copy, close. Like I said, Nani, in our self-paced sessions as well, we have our doubt sessions in which you can go and ask your doubts. In the platform itself, we have created that. The internship will also be online itself. The internship will also be online. For data scientists, which company is the best? I'll be suggesting go with British Airways. That has the best placement available as well. There's the best placement available as well, guys. For data scientists, like I said, it will be British Airways itself. For full stack development, I will be suggesting Amazon, JP Morgan, and Chase. Once you've completed your registration, somebody from DevTown will be contacting you guys soon and will be helping you guys out, figure out the entire process, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Ika Lawrence, somebody will, once you have message on the WhatsApp number, somebody from our team will be reaching out to you very soon. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay, somebody from our team will be reaching out to you very soon. You don't have to worry about it. Which one should I go with, full stack or cybersecurity? Go with full stack web development. If you guys have any questions related whether you should go for data science, full stack or cybersecurity, if you are not sure, go with full stack web development. It's as simple as that. If you're not sure, just blindly go with full stack development. It has the best placement out there. It has the best placement. You will be able to get the placements very easily in full stack development. Okay. Open source coder, like I said, the entire internship will be live and the training program will have lifetime access to it. So you don't have to worry about it. Data science or DevOps. There's nothing called as DevOps. You have to go with full stack development, in which DevOps is already covered. Okay. Separately doing DevOps is not going to help you. Okay. Go with full stack development. Ika Lawrence, like I said, once you have messaged on the WhatsApp number, somebody from that team will be reaching out to you very soon. Okay. Can we edit the option of the company after enrolling in the training? Sally, very easily. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Once you've enrolled into the training program, after that you can change the company by just emailing us and we'll change the company for you. How to complete this entire course? By studying, I guess. Suggest company for data science program, that will be British Airways. That will be my selection to you guys. Okay. Mern Stack. Okay, Mern Stack. MERN. In cybersecurity, go with MasterCard or JP Morgan and Chase. Go with MasterCard or JP Morgan and Chase. Can I register tomorrow? You can contact us on this particular WhatsApp number and you can do the registration tomorrow as well. The training program can be learned from your recordings. Absolutely. If you don't have time, you can learn from the recordings as well. AI or data science fields. Like I said, that is data analyst or the data scientist program that we are having. The data analyst and the data scientist program that we are having, that you can choose for AI and data science. In that, Cognizant, Deloitte, BCG, KPMG, Tata, Accenture and British Airways like companies are there for the guaranteed training and internship. Company for full stack, I will suggest AWS or JP Morgan and Chase. Okay, AWS or JP Morgan and Chase itself. The mode of payment is not available. So if your mode of payment is not available, just message on this particular WhatsApp number itself. They will help you out with the same. The class is over, guys. The class is over. You guys can leave. If you want to leave, you guys can leave. I'm just answering some of the questions that the people are having. For cybersecurity, either choose MasterCard or JP Morgan and Chase. So I want to change the company. Please give you email to contact you with Lucky Williams. Somebody from DevTown itself will be contacting you very soon for your post payment. That is the rest of the 3,000 plus 18% GST. Then only tell them that you want to change the company. You don't have to worry about it. Is cybersecurity better? See, according to me, full stack development is the best if you want to get a placement, a high paying placement very easily. Okay. How to get placed into Cisco? Bhanu Prakash, for that you can choose full stack development. We have Cisco as one of the partner programs right over there. Which language is better to learn for DSA? So we teach C++ and Java, and that is what we suggest you guys as well. Learn DSA and computer programming in C++ or Java. Okay. Karthikeyan, like I said, it is 3,500 rupees. Which skills are required by the company? Everything that is required by the company, we are actually teaching it to you guys. C++, Java, data structure algorithms, computer programming, your full stack development, everything is being taught to you guys. Okay. What are the prerequisites for full stack development? You should be able to understand just English. Whatever I'm speaking, that is the most that you need to understand. Everything else, even if you don't know what is programming as well, will be starting from the basics itself. So did Cisco need only networking? No, not at all. They require a lot of different things. Right now, we are having them for full stack development. Which is good, data science or DevOps? Again, do not go for DevOps, go for full stack development. If you want, choose between data science and full stack development depending upon what you want to do. The attendance has already been taken up. Can I register tomorrow? If you want to register tomorrow, CK, just message on this particular WhatsApp number and they will help you to register tomorrow as well. There's no issues in that. The class is over. The attendance is also over. The attendance has been taken up quite some time ago itself, so you don't have to worry about it. You can do DSA and CP in either C++ or Java. Do not do it in Python. So I'm from AIML. How do I get placement? Best package, and I have global certification. I'm working on DSA. First of all, prepare Python, SQL, statistics, then 18 machine learning algorithms, 6 deep learning algorithms, data wrangling, pre-processing, ETL pipelining. This is the least that you should be knowing. Along with that, data structure algorithms and computer programming is extremely important for you to do. What if seats are full until the WhatsApp contact response? So we usually keep 15 seats for our WhatsApp contacts only. Those people who respond back to us. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. What language for placement? Python or Java? None. Okay. For data structure algorithms, choose between Java and C++. For your projects, choose between Python and JavaScript. Is there an option to choose DSA language in full stack development? So currently we have C++ and Java for data structures and algorithms, so you don't have to worry about it. Which course is best for BSc CS students? I think so. It's course, not course. So yeah, it should be our course itself, of course. Okay. WhatsApp number, please. The WhatsApp number has been provided right over here. Connect with us on the WhatsApp link as you are able to see right over there. There's no second attendance, guys. The class is over. I'm just here solving the doubts of the people that are having some doubts. So if you guys are having any doubts, you can ask me and I will help you guys out with the same. You guys can do your pre-registration right now itself using this link, or else you can just contact us on this particular WhatsApp number and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. Okay. The tech knowledge like web development and programming are important for mechanical engineers. No, right? If you are planning to get into IT, okay, then yes, it is important. If you're not planning to get into IT, then you can ignore it as well. But I think so. Most of the students that are out here will be planning to get into an IT company itself. If you're confused which domain you should go for, go with data science. For you, Mehak, go with data science itself. Go with AWS, Praveen. The attendance is already taken care of. The attendance has been already taken care of. This. Yes, computer boy number one. Like I said, 20 seats are still remaining. Okay, 20 seats are still remaining. Tanya, Wasim, if you don't have the payment method, you can just contact us on this particular WhatsApp number and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. I'm in my first year. Can I register? Of course, you can register. There's no issues in that. You can, of course, register for the same. I'm working in DevOps. Go with web development itself. Go with full stack development then. Madhu Prakash, like I said, you will get 100% internship. You don't have to worry about it. If you're doing well, then yes, you can get placements as well. In the next 4 to 5 days, Karthikeyan, you will have to do your complete payment itself. Yes, Prem, if you are in the first year, you can also register. The early that you are registering, the better your profile will be. Okay. In full stack development, Python is taught to us. No, not at all. You don't require Python for full stack. You require JavaScript for full stack. So C++, Java and JavaScript will be taught to you right over there. And what all courses are taught like programming language only for full stack developer. Kriti, we have already taken care for you. Like everything that you want to learn, it already has that. Prem, like I said, if you want to register, you can register using this particular link itself that I've already provided to you guys. Do not go with Java, go with JavaScript. DevOps is helpful in AI/ML, of course. For web dev, I will suggest either JP Morgan and Chase or Amazon. Of course, React is better. Is there anything about GuideWire? No, not right now. App development courses. So in full stack development, we already cover that with React Native. So app, Android app development, iOS app development, that is already covered right over there. Machine learning, we have 18 machine learning algorithms in the data scientist program, so you don't have to worry about it. Can we change the company after full play payment? Yes, of course you can do that. You just have to let us know and we'll do that for you. What will be taught in cybersecurity? Let me show it to you guys. So this is your cybersecurity. Let me just it for you guys. For example, right over here, guys, you will be learning about introduction to networking, routing protocols, class A subnetting, IP4, IP5, and then recon as well. Google dorking, Google hacking database, subdomain enumeration, Linux fundamentals, web app penetrating itself, Python and automation, cryptography, cloud security, network security, browser security will be taught to you guys right over there. Everything you can find it right over here. We have already covered everything for you guys. Currently, we don't offer anything for IoT or embedded because we only offer things that are able to get placements very easily for our students. That is the reason why. Yes, the class is over, guys. I'm just going with over the questions that some people are having. Like I said, the internship program will be completely live, and the training you will be given with lifetime access to that, so you don't have to worry about it. Pranay, I will suggest full stack development would be better. Which course is in demand right now? Of course, full stack development. It never goes out of demand. What do you have to enter into bootcamp name? You have to enter DevOps. Okay, just DevOps itself. Registration done. That's great. Can I leave the class? Of course. Do mechanical engineers have good scope in Pakistan? I don't think so. But yeah, go with full stack. See, in Pakistan, usually it is famous for its cyber security. So I will suggest you that. But yeah, that is totally up to your personal choice to you. Ali, like I said, if you want to get into IT, then learn data science and all these kind of stuff. Okay, Triple EC people mostly get placed into IT itself at the end. I want to change the course to full stack. You can easily do that, Pranay. So whenever a person from DevTown will be contacting you, just tell them that you want to change it to full stack. They will do that for you. Okay. Explain full stack details. We'll be starting out with HTML, CSS, Bootstrap CSS, then Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, then Git, GitHub version control, then front-end development completely in React, Redux, hooks, then backend development completely in Express, MongoDB, and Node.js, along with microservice architecture, authentication, and authorization. Then you will be having DevOps in, you will be taught Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD in its entirety from beginning to the utmost highest levels. And then you will be having your cloud computing after that. Okay. And then 1 month guaranteed internship after that as well. What is the difference between pre-registration fees and registration fees? So for example, right now you're doing a pre-registration of 500 rupees using this link. Then after that, the rest of the amount will just be 3,000 rupees to complete your registration. Okay, and then you can start off with the training after that immediately. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you want to do your pre-registration, you can use this link or you can just send a message to this particular WhatsApp number. Okay. Where do I have to choose the company? So when you're doing your post-registration, so right now you're doing a pre-registration of 500 rupees. After that, the rest of the amount is 3,000 rupees. So whenever you will be doing that within the next 4 days, then you can choose the company from right over there itself. Can one later switch from data science to full stack? I have done that in my life. So yes, you can also do that. Syllabus for data science, Ali, you will be taught Python, okay, then statistics in its entirety. Then you'll be having data wrangling, data pre-processing, all that kind of things. They'll be having 18 machine learning algorithms with each project from various different companies so that you are having industrial experience as well. And then 6 deep learning algorithms as well, guys. You will be learning MERN stack as well as DevOps and cloud computing in AWS during the entire program. What will be useful for BTech automation and robotics? Go with data scientist program. Go with data scientist program. It will be very useful for you. AWS or JP Morgan and Chase for full stack? Go with AWS. Go with AWS itself. Go with AWS itself. Can I choose the internship company after the training? Of course, you can do that. There's no issue. You can even change the company that you have chosen after the intern training as well. You don't have to worry about it. Everything we have already taken care for you guys. So please, guys, if you want, so approximately when will I receive a response? By tomorrow itself, Kiran. By tomorrow, you don't have to worry about it. By tomorrow, you'll get the response as well. Okay. Like I said, guys, you can do your pre-registration using this link and choose the internship company after the training. Yes, you can do that. There's no issues in that. Will there be specific jobs in AI fields in the future? Of course. Can we get a complete course outline which you are going to learn in every training? The Tahira, you can just message on this particular WhatsApp number and they will be providing you guys with all the information right over there. Tahika, you can message on this particular WhatsApp number. They'll be providing you guys with all the information right over there, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Will there be any help with the interview? You don't have to worry. We are always there with you guys. How many weeks does this program consist of, Naveen? 3 months of training and then 1 month of internship. Okay, but you have access to the entire program with lifetime access. Okay, what are the percentage of placements, sir? So out of 6,800, 6,200 students, we have already placed 5,900 students. You can just calculate the placements ratio according to that. Can we get the complete course outline that I'm going to learn in each of the training? Tahira, like I said, you can just approach on this particular WhatsApp number, ask them that, and they will provide you with all the information from right over there. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you guys very soon in the training program, otherwise in some future boot camp. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. The internship will be done on your own timings itself. It's a self-paced internship. You don't have to worry about it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you.